Okay, example 5 talks about probability of a union. It says in a deck of cards, what's the probability that you draw either a heart or a face card? Okay, well, let's start with hearts. And we'll call this the probability of drawing a heart. Well, the probability of drawing a heart, there's 13 hearts out of 52 cards, so it's 13 out of 52. For a face card, probability of a face card, that's going to be, face cards would include kings, queens, and jacks, and there's 4 of each one, so that'd be 3 times 4, 12 out of 52. But then, a heart or a face card, we have to take into account how many heart face cards there are, such as these 3 cards right here. These 3, the jack of hearts, the queen of hearts, and the king of hearts, would be in both sections because they're both hearts and they're both face cards. And so since there's 3 cards that are in both sets, it would have to be like this. You would find the probability of it being a heart, you would add the probability of finding the face card, but you would have to subtract the probability of it being both. Since there's 3 cards that are both, we have to subtract that out. And so now it is 13 out of 52 plus 12 out of 52, and I'm going to subtract 3 out of 52, and that's going to give me 22 out of 52. 22 out of 52 turns out to be 11 out of 26, so there's our fraction, or if you prefer a percent, it's approximately 42% like that. Okay? Number 41 out of the book says, what is the probability of the card of the club or a king? Go ahead and take a chance to see, take a second to see if you can figure that out, drawing a club or a king. Well, there is 13 clubs and there's 4 kings. However, in a deck of cards, there is, I believe, exactly 1 card that fits the description of both, and that is the king of clubs. So we would subtract that 1 card that is both, and so 13 plus 4 is 17, plus minus 1 is 16 out of 52, which is going to reduce to 4/13 altogether. As a percent, that's approximately 31% as your answer.